We had some comments in the comment section on our most recent video telling us to put 14 wides on a Ridgeline. I absolutely love it. Banker absolutely hates it, so we're going to do it. We need to look to see if we can find adapters and or spacers or a combination of the both to be able to put it on there, because we don't have suspension on the Ridgeline at this time, but I think it'd be a lot of fun to drive around town on 14 wides on a stock Ridgeline. So Junior, will you help me banker? Banker.
I say we do this all without them.
5 by 120 to 5 by 5.5. Just run some Dodge wheels.
All right, by 5 by 5.5?
5 by 120 to 5 by 5, 1.5 inches thick, 14 by 5 studs. So look up 5 by 5 wheels now.
All right.
This is 5 by 5, not 5 by 5.5. Is 5 by 5 old Jeep?
Oh no. Okay. TIS coming in clutch. Let's go, baby. All right, so we got these at the warehouse.
We have a lot of these at the warehouse.
Yeah. All right, so the 544s. Banker, actually, I want your opinion on tires. What do you think we should do? Should we like do paper boys and just go 31s and stretch them? Can you stretch 31s over 20?
If you get wide enough. It's got to be a wide enough tires, the problem.
22,
14 TIS, 544s, gloss black.
Oh, street tires, yes.
What would it be? But like a 33 by 12? That's what we need, is this one right here. Because a 33 tall, 12 wide, by the time you stretch that, it's going to be 31 tall. You know how ugly this setup is going to look?
Incredible.
It's a Ridgeline.
It's a good looking Ridgeline.
All right.
You know what this is? Take a guess at what this is. This is the whole entire lift kit for the Ridgeline.
Are you serious?
This is all there, yes. In this little box, this is the entire lift kit for the Ridgeline. So we're gonna go show Dustin and see what he says. You know what this is?
No. Oh, that's Ridgeline.
This is the lift kit for the Ridgeline.
Well, so we don't need to make one out of wood now?
No.
I'm gonna cut my leg off. That is durability at its finest.
That is heavy duty right there.
This pen is legitimately thicker than whatever the hell this is.
Sway marling. Do we even have instructions? Wow, look at that.
Hey.
Steps 1 through 6.
Steps.
6 steps and 1 picture.
Well, what do you have going on for the next 6 minutes?
I think you vastly underestimate the condition of our Ridgeline.
It's in perfect condition.
Difficult. It's gonna...
What do you mean? John, we need you to go install our Ridgeline lift kit.
Let's go.
Here, you're gonna do it by yourself. I don't have time. John's putting it in the parking lot. What is that? Ridgeline wheels are here.
Oh, let's go.
Holy stretch.
You're serious?
Yes, you're serious. Yes.
This is actually for our...
They're quite absurd, actually.
That is ridiculous.
30 by 13 and a half. I think it's actually 29 and a half by 13 and a half.
That's not gonna DB.
I know.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Oh my god. I don't even think you should even put
He's like, it took 3 people with the Cheetah Blaster, but they just sent it down the regular line. Everybody just got together and did it.
These things are rowdy.
Yeah, they're rowdy, but it's a Ridgeline. They don't make wheels for Ridgelines. So we got some Amazon wheel adapters that are not hub centric, and you shouldn't do this. But
you shouldn't do a lot of things that we're doing to the Ridgeline.
yeah, you shouldn't stretch your tires that much. I'm glad Dustin's gonna be the one driving this truck, because this vehicle is like, you hit a pothole in these bad boys, and you were...
See you later.
Have
All right,
fun with that.
let's get these put on, see what it looks like. Oh my god, this thing looks fucking ridiculous. Yeah, get a close up of that butt.
Austin, your ass is making its debut.
Fuck yeah.
The privilege of prayer.
Privilege of prayer. Should we put the tire?
Pull off
red Amazon adapter nipples.
Save those nipples.
Save all the nipples.
You could use those when we
Big-
powder coat your nipples.
Big breast cancer people. At this rate, I'm gonna be here till tomorrow. We are about to torque the rear Amazon adapters. Bailey's gonna hold down the e-brake since it is in the rear. It's spinning. So Bailey's gonna sit up there, hold down the e-brake. He said it's nice and hot inside, and I'm gonna sweat my nuts off, torquing down the Amazon adapters, which I hate saying. Could I at least got Bora? Sorry.
This is like 10% turn.
Might be a 17-point turn. It's okay.
Yeah. Now you gotta slam it on its nuts.
That's what I was just saying.
Yeah, you can't even turn.
Well, we gotta take the mud flaps off, then we'll have.
Yeah, take off the mud flaps.
Boys.
That's awesome.
I can't see a damn thing. Okay, let's go for a spin. Oh! I can see the whole wheel and tire. All right, go on, give me the camera. All right, boys, let's go. You can hear the stickers.
Yeah, you can.
Dad's gonna be mad.
Good. You want to see some real Honda stance? Yeah. What are these? I mean, I don't know if I like it or I hate it.
That's more than an inch or 2 inches or whatever you're
That's
allowed.
a truck rule. This is a Honda. This is a car.
You're right. There's no bed.
I'm
The
gonna put
bed,
a-
it's all single body.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a fitment banner on the windshield. They won't even think about touching
You're gonna
it.
be like, is this that new XL Civic?
Yeah.
Stretch tires fit it very well. I mean, if we're going for that
It's a Honda, right?
Honda. Oh my lord.
When are you lifting this thing?
When we got some free time.
I think you should put this in the gallery.
Definitely.
You gotta get this in the custom offsets gallery. All the other Ridgeline guys watching these videos will finally know what to do.
Honestly, I think we're gonna have to put it in the fitment gallery.
Oh no.
I don't think this tire will come up on CL.
Oh no.
I mean, how? I mean,
Up our customer service team. They're gonna lose their freaking minds.
What the fuck is that? I want to actually peek at this. Jesus. Okay, yeah. It doesn't rub. Doesn't rub at all.
105 psi to keep the beads seated.
I was gonna ask how long till it beats.
Well,
I'm sure it'll be fine.
we'll take it around the block maybe.
Let's go take it on 41.
No, we're not taking it on 41.
Look at it. Like the 3 huge bumps. I think that would be a good test of its integrity.
Yeah, I think
That'd
that
be
would be a great test. We should go do it.
Breaking the golden rule. He's not letting you burn off your tire stickers, dude. He's taking it off.
I put them back on just to make Sean mad.
Somebody stop him.
Oh my god. This is great. This is a great time. I don't know how we're gonna get out of here. I don't know if I can make it turn tight enough. Like a tight enough turn to get out. Drive's kind of nice. It definitely, she got a little pull in the wheel. I don't know where that's coming from.
it cruises pretty nice.
It's almost out of fuel. We should probably go to Quick Trip.
Do we still have beer in the cooler?
Oh, probably. It's very warm by now. Just look at the wheel.
Oh my god.
We might need to get it aligned once we get the power steering fixed. Actually thick.
Thick.
Thick. Guy in the Civic, he was looking hard. Oh god, a speed bump. We might deviate. This gas station is tight in a regular vehicle, so this is going to be fun.
Here's, look at that Honda Ridgeline right there.
Oh my god.
Go pump gas.
You know, if it had power steering, I think this is dailyable.
Won't be bad.
I mean, if you live in town and don't have a lot of potholes, this is definitely dailyable. Just put one of those old school 16-inch steering wheels on this bitch. Back when they didn't have power steering. What is this? What did they buy?
JPC!
There's lots of super affordable ways to pay for whatever you want.
I feel like it turns alright with some speed.
With some speed, yeah.
This thing is absolutely ridiculous, but it's so sick. So sick.
The FI guys didn't like it. I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know.
The fitment's perfect. That's what they do for a living.
Yes, exactly.
It's perfect fitment. We nailed it. See, everyone was clowning on the Ridgie. Now it has a cooler and the best fitment.
It is the coolest Ridgeline I've seen.
Oh, by a landslide.
Yeah.
Fuck you, God.
Get in here.
Holy shit. Does this rub?
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
It rubs?
Everywhere? You got about 4 degrees to turn.
Oh my
Maybe 5.
God. You just have a tire there to hold the wheel off the ground.
I think I'm gonna take it home.
You're gonna drive this? Actually, kind of look. I don't know.
I
I can't tell if I like it or not.
There's
I just want to
something
rip down
to it.
college.
It's very Hot Wheelsy.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's honestly from the front. It looks.
Hey, like I can say hi to you through the bead. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Just wow. It's pretty dope. In a weird way. Okay, so Banker said there's a guy here for me. I'm not expecting anybody. And then he said he's here with a transmission. And it took a second, and then I realized my dually transmission, which has been down for a year pretty much now, is finally here. So we're gonna go see what this is all about. Yeah, it's been down since LTN. That was middle of September was when it went down.
Since you bought it.
Well, that's also true. So this is the third transmission going into this thing now.
Have a great day, guys.
You too, man. Thank you. Put it in FI showroom.
It's monster. Just convert all your torques. That's all the 7.3 makes. Is torque.
It's not working.
It's like couldn't have gone better.
Oh, I got stuck to my wee-wee.
Damn, they really just stick the turbo right on top like that, huh? What up?
I don't exactly know what I'm doing right here. This is the one part that I haven't done before. But the torque converter now needs to go on here, and it's going to basically engage 3 times as I put it on and spin it clockwise. I just can't crush the pump gears while I'm in here.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me get the camera in here, please.
Thanks. All right.
Break it, do something cool.
Chris wondered why I had blaze orange socks on it, so if you get trapped under a Ford ever. People are like, hey, there's a man under there. Jarrod, if I died today.
What if it's not related to a dually incident?
That's a weird stipulation. That's a really suspicious stipulation.
Well, I just gotta know where the line is, you know? Oh yeah, that's it right there.
This is the birth of country music, Jarrod. Doors and turn the lights down low.
I have shit in my eyes.
Here, hold still. I'll
There we
get it
go.
out.
We more or less have the transmission lined up. We have like 5 out of the 6 bolts in, but not torqued tight. What?
I didn't.
Tomorrow I'll finish this up when we have an actual videographer and not Dustin behind the camera. But then the transmission will be in. Got to get the torque converter mounted to the flywheel as well. Obviously, then the drive shaft can go in after that, and then after that, it's done. And I got to add fluids, but I'm also going to do my transmission cooler as well. We almost died like 3 times. And I was planning to do this by myself. Luckily, Nate and Dustin decided to be like, "Hey, you need any help under there?" And then when I didn't answer, they're like, "He's probably dead." So we'll finish this up tomorrow, and maybe it'll be running tomorrow afternoon, evening-ish. We'll see. All right, so last night we were here late. Got it almost figured out, kind of close, and it just kind of fell short. It was late. We're like, whatever, figure it out today. Today comes and goes. Not really goes. We're here right now. But wouldn't start last night. So put 2 brand new batteries in here. Fired up right away. No issues there. But I think what's happening is the solenoid connector, I think, is broken. It's not clicking in. So I'm going to try and find mine off my Bronco harness, take that off and put it on here and see if that works. So this thing needs a little more work. Another week of sitting in here and troubleshooting. Kind of frustrating, but I mean, we'll figure it out. Regardless, either way, we got softball tonight. Dustin's around here somewhere. He's over here. Come on. Oh, that is the 8th person to step on those rivets in the last 2 days. You think we pick them up at this point? Stop walking through there. 100 employees. We have our own softball league. And tonight at 7 p.m., it's my team, Team Custom Offsets, versus Dustin's team, Team Archon. And you're going down.
Yeah, okay, bud.
So we play at 7 tonight. We'll probably bring a camera and film some of that happening and just see what happens on cam. Let's go.
Need a good bat. Oh, me?
First out.
Oh no.
Good effort, good effort.